You searched how to buy shares of Venture Global Inc. Venture Global develops and operates large-scale LNG export facilities and infrastructure, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker VG. This is an educational example and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker VG to find Venture Global's listing. Select the result that shows NASDAQ to make sure you locate the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company profile, the price chart, and recent trading information to confirm it is Venture Global Inc. Verify the ticker shows VG and the exchange is NASDAQ before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and choose order type. Then review the details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a market on open. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be completed. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.